exploring the flavorful world of smoked sausage. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a delicious topic, smoked sausage. This phrase not only tantalizes our taste buds but also enriches our English vocabulary. So, let's embark on this flavorful journey together and understand what smoked sausage really means. Smoked sausage refers to a type of meat product that is seasoned and then smoked to enhance its flavor and preserve it. The process of smoking imparts a distinctive taste and aroma, making smoked sausage a popular choice in various cuisines around the world. It's important to note that smoked sausages can be made from different types of meat, such as pork, beef, or poultry. The smoking process is key in creating a smoked sausage. It involves exposing the sausage to smoke, usually from burning wood, to cook and flavor the meat. This process can vary in duration and temperature, leading to different types of smoked sausages. Some are heavily smoked and cooked through, while others are lightly smoked for a subtle flavor. There are many varieties of smoked sausage, each with its unique flavor profile. For instance, kielbasa, a Polish sausage, known for its garlic and pepper seasoning. Andouille, a spicy, smoked sausage from Louisiana, often used in Cajun cooking. Chorizo, a Spanish or Mexican sausage, with bold spices like paprika. Smoked sausage is incredibly versatile in cooking. It can be grilled, sautéed, or added to stews and soups. It's a staple in dishes like jambalaya, gumbo, and paella. The rich, smoky flavor enhances the overall taste of any meal it's added to. Beyond its culinary uses, smoked sausage holds cultural significance in many regions. It's a part of traditional meals, festivals, and family gatherings. This highlights the role of food in bringing people together and sharing cultural heritage. We hope this video has given you a delicious insight into the world of smoked sausage. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just expanding your English vocabulary, remember that language learning can be as enjoyable as a well-cooked meal. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next culinary adventure.